Are you looking for a little bit more protection on your trailing arms on your Rzr XP 1000 or XP Turbo? Well, SuperATV has the solution with their heavy-duty trailing arm mud flaps, and today we're going to show you how to get them installed. So let's get right to it. So the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and remove the lower bolt and the sway bar link. We'll just remove our bolt. We're working on the passenger side, so we'll go ahead and get the passenger side bracket. Lay it up there like so. Get it back in position, and then we'll go ahead and fully tighten it. We'll take our mud flap, and we want it to be aligned with the side of the trailing arm. So we're on stock trailing arms, so we're going to use these outside holes. If you're on a SuperATV trailing arm, you're going to use the inside holes and then these center holes. Then you just want to get it adjusted to where the bottom of the mud flap is touching the trailing arm. And we'll just go through and fully tighten all the hardware. Once you have it adjusted, just repeat the same exact steps for the opposite side. So that's all there is to it to install SuperATV's heavy-duty mud flaps on this Polaris RZR XP Turbo. For more information on these mud flaps, be sure to check the description below, where there's going to be a link to the website where you can pick yours up today. Also, while you're there, drop a like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.